got this dehydrated popcorn on the cob, and we are going to put it in, but it's actually really nice. It's nice, but so what you want to do is you want to get your paper bag, fold it like about 3 or 4 times. So I'll show an example. Right.
Yep.
Like that.
And then fold it over again. Yep.
Just so we can seal it. And we're actually going to watch a movie. So put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Here we go. So.
Yep, that's it. Start. Alright.
Wait.
And by the power of editing,
It's just starting to pop. You can see me in the reflection. So it's just starting to pop and getting nice and big. Once it stops popping for a couple of seconds, that's when we
press stop.
yeah, we stop. It looks like really big.
There we go. Alright, we can probably press stop now, I reckon. Yep, open it up.
It
Yep,
popped.
that's enough. Alrighty. Yeah, it's going to be very hot. Still
It's
alive!
actually really hot.
Alrighty,
Is it actually hot?
let's have a look. Alright, you're going to open it up?
Okay. I don't want to burn my fingers. Where did the cob go?
Still there.
Oh, still a cob. There's
popped
still
off.
stuff there. They say it's going to be hot. That's a lot of popcorn.
Where's the actual thing?
There's still stuff left. Ah, it is hot.
Caution! Hot!
If you do put yourself, run it under cold water. The unpopped kernels, which are the seeds, are very hot, but the rest of them, like the cob, isn't.
Alright, let's put some flavour on it.
Butter and salt.